Welcome back to HS Auto, your hub for quick and clear updates from the world of two-wheelers. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Bajaj Pulsar 220F, a bike that refuses to fade away and continues to evolve with every update. Overview. The 2025 Pulsar 220F retains its identity as a semi-fared power commuter but arrives with refinements aimed at keeping it relevant. Bajaj has focused on subtle styling upgrades and performance consistency, staying true to what made the 220F an icon in the first place. Design and features. For 2025, the Pulsar 220F features refreshed graphics, sharper body lines, and improved LED lighting. The semi-fairing design remains unmistakably 220F, sporty yet practical. The instrument cluster gets minor tweaks for better readability while still keeping the analog-digital hybrid layout fans love. Engine and performance. The familiar 220 cubic centimeters oil-cooled engine continues to deliver its strong mid-range punch. Tuned to meet the latest emission norms, it maintains smooth power delivery and refined throttle response. Riders can expect dependable performance both in city traffic and on open highways, staying true to the bike's long-running reputation. Ride and handling. The 2025 model preserves the comfortable riding triangle, making it suitable for daily commuting and weekend rides. The suspension setup strikes a balance between sporty control and street comfort. Braking is supported by front and rear discs with single-channel ABS for added safety. Mileage and practicality. Despite being performance-oriented, the Pulsar 220F continues to offer respectable fuel efficiency. Its seating comfort, fairing protection, and proven mechanicals make it an ideal choice for riders seeking a reliable long-term companion. Conclusion. The 2025 Bajaj Pulsar 220F isn't trying to reinvent itself, it's staying loyal to what its fans appreciate while adding just enough improvements to keep it fresh. If you want a blend of perf,